In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete your Otter.ai account. To begin, go to your Otter.ai home dashboard and make sure you're signed into the correct account. This is important, especially if you use more than one account or sign in with different methods. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the top left corner of the screen and click on your account's profile. This will open the accounts menu where you can access your settings. From that menu, click on Account Settings. This is where Otter.ai keeps the main controls for your profile and account preferences. After the settings page opens, click on the General tab. If you don't land there automatically, just select it manually so you can view the general account options. On the General page, scroll if needed and click on Delete Account. At this point, Otter.ai may ask you to verify the account tied to the profile you're trying to remove. If you signed up using Google, you'll be taken to a Google account selection screen. Choose the Google account associated with your Otter.ai account. Be careful to select the correct one, because choosing the wrong account may interrupt the deletion process or send you back without completing it. Once that verification is complete, you'll be taken back to Otter.ai. You should then see a pop-up asking why you're deleting your account. Go ahead and answer that prompt. This feedback is typically used by the platform for internal improvements, and it's part of the account closure flow, so make sure you complete it before moving on. After you've answered the pop-up, click Continue when you're ready to proceed. This is the point where you should pause for a second and make sure you really want to move forward. Permanent deletion usually means losing access to your recordings, transcripts, settings, and other account data tied to Otter.ai. If you're sure, click Delete Account to finalize the process. Once you do that, your account deletion request will be submitted and the account should be permanently removed according to Otter.ai's process. As a quick tip, before deleting your account, it's a good idea to download or back up any important notes or transcripts you may want later, since you may not be able to recover them afterward. And that's it. That's how to permanently delete your Otter.ai account.